It takes slow pictures.
One of the largest productions in Universal's history. Now, having the Grinch for neighbor is kind of coming to that easy. The guy next door is worse. Much worse. Psycho. A classic film Psycho, directed by Alfred Hitchcock. This is Bates Motel and Psycho House.
We all go a little mad sometimes.
We'll make our way right up alongside the Psycho House because it's the next step we're headed to. The biggest backlot set we've ever constructed. A true terrifying disaster. We're headed to the floor of the world's crash site. Remain seated the entire time we enter this area, but once we get to the center, we'll come to a complete stop and you guys can stand up and take photos. Once again, this is the crash site, and this is a Boeing 747. It cost $60,000 to buy the aircraft, not $200,000 to bring it here.
Okay.
Recently misused for a Nicki Minaj and Rihanna music video called Fly. And now we've come to a complete stop. Feel free to stand up and take photos if you like as we take a look behind the scenes at War of the Worlds.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Stephen had.
We took again to sit down to talk about War of the Worlds. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing great because of me. That's real.
I say no problem.
Where would be is actually just beyond this cabin. Now the cabin itself you may recognize from The Great Outdoors, starring John Candy and Dan Aykroyd. We also use it for the TV series Coach, starring Craig T. Nelson, and the feature film Cher, Mark Wahlberg. Beyond it is a giant concrete pool which we fill with thousands of gallons of water. That's an example of the practical effect. Behind it, the blue screen or green screen technology, this one blue, which we use with CGI. That's a great example of a technological visual effect that we use here. So guys, when we combine the visual effects with the actual practical effects, it looks like this on camera. Used it recently for films like Wanderlust or All Right. You're supposed to just stuff so they can be A-okay. We're going to enter into it anyway though, guys. This is the Tomb Hotel. Once again, this is from The Mummy. We're finishing with The Mummy Return. There was the Scorpion King 1, Scorpion King 2, Scorpion King 3 was out on DVD, and The Mummy Returns to the Emperor Dragon.
Here's another ride.